Today we are at the final stages of showing you Witley Court, which is such a fantastic investment property for our clients here. I can't wait to take you inside, show you the scope and the final phases of the renovation that turned out wonderfully. But again, remember, we chose this location because we are in the heart of Bloomsbury. You've got Russell Square just moments away. You're in a classic Grade 2 listed building, and really it's a fantastic location and a great investment. Let's have a look. So welcome to Witley Court in Bloomsbury. This is a fabulous 2-bedroom flat that we recently bought for our American clients. And while it doesn't look like much right now, I actually wanted to shoot this video because we are in the middle of the renovation process or construction to modernize this flat. We bought this flat, as I said, for our clients, and one of the things we recognized in crunching the numbers was the tremendous opportunity to buy it at a great value, but recognizing we would have to update it and upgrade it. The seller was well into his 70s and had done nothing in terms of modernizing for over 30-something years. So there was tremendous upside potential, but you'd have to do a bit of sweat equity and put, some improvements to it. But that is one of the services we offer to our clients. We not just help them buy the right property, we can also offer a project management interior design service as well. And this project was perfect for it at Witley Court. So you can see we've got the bare walls. The guys have been in here over the last few weeks. We've stripped it down, completely exposed. But this flat is going to get a full modernization from new electrics, flooring, lighting, painting, and really going to be brought to modern standards and compliance. So we're so excited because of the investment potential. And for this client who's building an investment real estate rental portfolio, it's a perfect addition. It gives them diversity and location and real upside once we finish the project. So I can't wait to show you the finished project, but I think it's really important for you to see what it looks like in its current midway stage as we project manage on behalf of our clients. So now we are in the living room, and it has been truly transformed. We are on a beautiful day. You can see the incredible light that comes in, but we've really highlighted that in our renovations. The color tone is neutral. It's lovely. We've added some lovely decorative items here to make it a comfortable investment property, rental property here. But again, I love the ceiling heights. You can see we put a decorative chandelier in. There's still space for the tenants to bring their own personality and make it a home, but truly it's been transformed. There's been so many touches from upgrading the electric. Those are roller blinds. We've done the secondary glazing as well. So it is so quiet and provides heat insulation. So the little touches that are gonna make it comfortable and definitely fit for purpose for many years to come. Here in the bathroom, we've already also made some incredible changes here that go such a long way. And it's the thoughtful touches. I got to decorate this flat on behalf of my owners, my landlords here. And it was something as simple as using an interesting mix of materials to create interest. I love we've got the octagonal floor tiles balanced with the beautiful large marble tiles on the walls here, and then also a different pattern in the shower as well, kind of a diagonal subway style pattern using black grout. We've used black accented features here, whether it's the towel rack, the towel warming rack, which provides heat, so it's very functional, all also in the shower frame here and in the accents throughout. But really a beautiful space here. We've added another nook for extra storage, which you really do have to think about in London, and every detail and every thought was considered. But again, another wonderful looking space. You know, they sell kitchens and bathrooms sell homes. And in this one, we have done so much work to transform it. We've kept the same physical space, but it really is so much more functional now. And I absolutely love it. We've retained a gas hob and or stove and oven here, but completely changed the layout. So now you've got the stove and oven in this location. You've got a microwave over here. The fridge and freezer are over here. And one of the things we did was we added a dishwasher over here and moved what was the washing machine over in this corner while adding so much pantry space and really extra storage. This is such a fabulous kitchen. One of the things I also like is, again, the expense was paid to put beautiful granite countertops in or worktops in. I love the handles that we've used throughout and really created a really nice cohesive theme. The cabinetry is a beautiful slate gray that complements the flooring and accents really nicely with the color scheme. So again, another beautiful room. While this is communal space, it's always wonderful to have some form of outdoor space when you're in the inner city. And I love that this balcony really offers them a place to come out, just, get some fresh air. It's also in this particular property where they feature and collect the garbage or the trash. So it's a nice feature in this building here that you can put your trash out and it gets collected daily. But it's also really great to open your kitchen door and have some fresh breeze coming in as well. In our second bedroom, and we've retained, again, some of the original features. One of the things that we kept throughout this entire flat was the beautiful solid wood doors throughout. We upgraded the handles, so again, bringing some modern updates in, but while retaining some beautiful features. One of the cool things we did, again, because this is a historic property here, we had to respect that we couldn't change the windows. In adding secondary glazing, on a practical level, we had to put blinds in. And one of the nice features are the electronic roller blinds. So the tenants can use it, put it up and down without even having to shift the secondary glazing. Those are some of the little touches here, but again, a really nice space. You can feature your double bed here. We added a nice wardrobe space as well, and really making this a comfortable room. We chose this property for its layout and size. In the master or primary bedroom here, it really gets you the space that's so optimal in central London. It's rare to get a bedroom of this size, but again, we've retained the classic features with the additional molding around the walls. We added the recessed lights to bring that brightness in because there was no actually light feature in here. We've got the secondary glazed windows again, providing that sound as well as noise insulation, which is fabulous. And then we added a wardrobe space here, which really makes it a functional, practical space. So again, it's a beautiful space that allows for our tenants to move in and utilize it right away, or also to personalize it over time. The idea is when you're going to put in the time and effort into an investment property, be thoughtful about the details and really go the extra mile when it comes to decorating it and making a comfortable home. And again, this room, I think, showcases the best of this wonderful property at Witley Court. I hope you've enjoyed checking out Witley Court and seeing the scope of the renovations we were able to project manage on behalf of our landlords. I really think it showcases the full scope of what we can do and what I absolutely love doing for my clients, which is finding wonderful investment properties. And if it needs a little bit of work, we can certainly handle that as well. But Witley Court is a fantastic property. It's going to do very well for our clients, and I can't wait to look after it for years to come. But if you're thinking about buying or renting a property in London and don't know where to start, make sure to reach out. I'm happy to have a consultation. We can talk about your plans, your goals, what you're trying to achieve. I'll help you understand the London property market as it exists today and help you find your perfect piece of London. So if you want to check me out on other social media channels, make sure to do so, as I post regularly about life in London and living in this incredible city. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.